ekishaayi ekigavumenti ya Uganda eyombekire kiri omu Hoima nikitamisa abantu emitwaro 2 ekimazireho dola za Amerika miliyoni 13. Purezidenti Museveni owabashindikirizibweho minisitiri y'Obwegyese kandi niwe mukazi we Mama Janet Kata Museveni nabo bakiguraho erizooba omu butongore.
I want to thank Mama, the First Lady, with the Minister of Education for doing an excellent job. In implementing this project. It was a combination of events which caused us to take on this stadium. First of all, because of the oil in the Bunyoro area, we built more roads here and an international airport. Tuba tukyali awo ab'emizannyo ne bajja.
Ekishaayi eki kirimu ebintu bishaayi ebikorwamu emizannyo etali emu n'emu. Bimwe abyafaayo by'ekishaayi eki kikaba kirime kuba nikyombekwa omu meezi 18 bakyombekiire ameezi 12.
I am especially proud to say that this landmark project was built by Summa, a leading Turkish construction company whose professionalism, efficiency and commitment to quality are recognized worldwide. Summa's excellent work here reflects the broader strength of Turkish construction companies active in Uganda.
The people of Bunyoro region, though this is a national asset, it is also an asset that will bring immediate benefit to the Bunyoro community because you host it right here. The same level of commitment that the government has shown in bringing Hoima City Stadium to reality is the same resolve we have as a ministry to see that the public university for Bunyoro region becomes a reality.
Purezidenti Museveni agira ngu gavumenti eyetegwire okutunguura eby'emizaano okurabira omu kutaho ebishaayi nk'ebi omu myanya etali emu n'emu.
Hospitality, music and drama. So that's how now where sports comes in now. We are not concentrated so much on it because we are busy with the security, agriculture, manufacturing, some of the services. But now, as Mama said, when we had the obujunanizibwa bukwakira hano AFCON hamwe n'abagenzi betu aba Kenya na Tanzania twagamba tukusobora kuhemuka.
Omupiira gw'okubanza ogwazanirwa omu kishaayi eki Kitara FC yagutura KCCA na goal emwe akiisho. Goal yateebwa Isaac Amtiri. Ogu gwaguri omuzaano gw'omukago.
The President and Mama, the First Lady, for this very big investment. I want to thank the Right Honourable Prime Minister, who has been our coordinator of all government programs. Of course, this stadium was one of those who agreed to work on in line with our hosting rights for AFCON 2027.
Aye kyenjagala abana Uganda bamanye tulina okumanya nti talents ez'abaana baffe mu byalo eno gye tuli Hoima eno waliyo talents n'abalala bajja kuva ate kino ekisaawe kigenda kukozesebwa ku AFCON 2027 tuli mu 2020 already yadde nga wakyabulayo omwezi.